it's now been 4 months since we planted these potatoes, and we're going to actually look at these potato sacks. There's 2 of them here. I'm going to see how it's grown and what kind of yield we're going to get from this. So to start off with, the first one we're going to do is we're going to cut off these plants. So these are all the stalks and stems that have grown up. This will just make it a bit easier when it comes to actually getting the potatoes out. Get these out of the way. Okay. So in these rubble sacks that we previously had, there's this little gap here where you can actually see bits coming out, and you can see from this one already there's some potatoes sticking out. So we're going to take all these potatoes out one by one. Here we go. This acts as a little opening. Here we go. We've got these potatoes here. They're looking pretty big. They're looking good. Another one here. And once you've actually taken all the potatoes out, what you need to do is don't wash them, because if you don't wash them you can keep them for longer. They won't go off and they won't start sprouting. So keep them, you can give them a little dust off, but don't wash them. Keep the soil on it, put it in a nice cool dry place in a nice bag so it doesn't sweat, and you can actually keep them for a while. But they won't last very long in this household because we all like potatoes. There we go. There's quite a few in this one. You should be able to find the seed potatoes as well. They're going to be they'll be quite dark. They're quite dark and hard. Don't try and eat those. You can't reuse them. Some of these actually potatoes we'll reuse, and we'll plant some more potatoes with these. So keeping all these tiny ones as well. Let's open up the second bag now. I'll give you a much better view this time, so you can actually see exactly how it looks. There you go. There we go. We can already see one over here. Let's get our packet here. There we go. I'm going to try and capture all the tiny ones as well. Oh, these are quite big actually. Very good. There we go. Get rid of all these stalks. We're going to put those in the compost heap later on. Oh wow, this one's massive. It's pretty good. Got another one here. Go. We've just watered these a little while ago before I started opening them. It's not a bad idea because it just makes everything a bit softer when you actually take them out. Because it's been quite a few sunny days recently, so it's allowed all these to grow really well. And that's it. This is all the potatoes from 2 sacks. Oh, there you go.